HI Moms, today I will guide you breast pump. Are you a new mom facing breastfeeding challenges? A breast pump can make your motherhood journey easier. A breast pump is a device that safely extracts breast milk. It comes in two types, manual and electric. It is especially helpful for working mothers. You can store breast milk and feed your baby later. Breast pumps also help maintain milk supply. Always wash your hands and clean pump parts before use. Place the pump correctly at the center of the breast. Start with a low suction level for comfort. Stay relaxed as stress can reduce milk flow. Always label stored milk with the date and time. Clean and sanitize the pump after every use. Healthy milk helps your baby grow strong and happy. For more mom tips, like, share, and subscribe.